Hey guys, welcome to another crypto trader video, and in this video we are going to be looking at the charts of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and XRP. So yesterday Bitcoin dipped down around 10% from the top of the resistance, and like it's forming a bull flag here like this one, and I'm expecting to like one more retest up here, then a bounce and a breakthrough for making a new all-time highs. So, and I can also see some divergence over here in the RSI, like the price is forming low but the prices are forming high, so it's also bullish. Plus we are at a major support zone over here, and on the daily we have this one as well, and on the daily we have some hidden bullish divergence, like the price is forming high but this is forming low kind of, so it's like a hidden bullish divergence, and I expect a bounce from here, like some kind of retest to this upper trend line, and like bounce back, and then we go on exploding to new all-time highs. So overall the market sentiments are very bullish as of now for the Bitcoin, and like if we break this support, then obviously next major support is around this 45k. We can also see some minor support at this 47k around. So yeah, so overall sentiment for the bullish Bitcoin is very bullish, and like I'm expecting some breakout around first of April. So yeah, so that's good, and let's move on to the Litecoin. Let's see what Litecoin has for us. So on Litecoin we are also at the major support zone of that 180 to 170, 180 to 170 zone, and like yeah, so there is this doji forming, which means that there is indecision in the market right now, like people don't know exactly where to push the price. And yeah, so for Litecoin I'm expecting some kind of bounce here, and like back to this zone, and then eventually a breakout. And if it doesn't, like if it breaks more to the downside, some kind of this bounce back to the support, and then eventually to the major support of 150. So like if price break, I would be shorting LTC as well, but as of now I don't think that this support should break, and it should hold. Like we are in the oversold zone of the RSI, and like a doji and like a doji formation. So we are like at 50-50 chance on this Litecoin, and yeah, the sentiments are good for Litecoin as well. Let's move to the Ethereum. So for Ethereum, what I'm expecting is a bounce from here to these zones 1750, and then a bounce down to 1600 zone, and then the breakout. And if it doesn't happen, and if we broke below, then some kind of this around 1448, and then touch back and going back to this 1300 area. So next major support is like 1300 area, and the resistance would be around 1800 for Ethereum. As of now, same RSI oversold and kind of doji formation on the support. So overall market is still bullish. Like in the long term, the coins are still very bullish. I'm keep holding it, and I won't be selling it around like before like previous all-time highs. So that's it for the Ethereum. Ethereum looks good as of now, and see on XRP. And XRP has been consolidating for like 1 month now, and it finally broke around 21st March. Broke it, came back, retested, and it went to its previous major resistance around this one, 60 cents. So yeah, and price also formed a bearish divergence, so like it was expected to do some correction, and as Bitcoin fell, it also came to the support means the resistance, which now became the support. So turn this to be a support. Yep. And it also formed a pin bar over here, plus 200 move EMA was also acting as a support. So I'm expecting some push back to this 60 cent range, this major resistance, and if we break it, then we are going for this resistance around the 80 cents, and then if we also break that, then $1 and eventually its previous all-time highs. Yeah. And if we like break and close below this, so I'm expecting a fall to like 42 cents area, this support, and if we even break below, we might see XRP at 30 cent range, and to be honest, I would be super buying over here. And yeah, that's all. So like the markets are still bullish. It was not something big major thing to be like turning my bias from bullish to bearish, and I feel that's all for this video. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also check out the description for my Telegram channel where I post daily signals, free signals for you guys. So till then, have a great day. Keep ordering. Bye bye.